Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Metro Royale. First, navigate to the game mode selection from your main lobby screen. You will need to download a small resource pack if it is your first time playing. Once downloaded, you can select Metro Royale. There are different modes available, such as Basic, Advanced, and Undercover. For beginners, the Basic mode is recommended as you will not lose your equipped gear upon elimination, making it perfect for learning the ropes. Before entering a match, head to the black market. Here, you can sell items you've collected and purchase new weapons, armor, and vital supplies like ammunition and medical kits. Carefully select your loadout, ensuring you have enough backpack space for loot. Different maps and modes might require varied gear, so choose wisely. For instance, a level 5 vest offers good protection, while a refined MK14 is excellent for medium-range combat. Once in a match, your objective is to explore the unique maps, which feature both above-ground ruins and intricate underground tunnels. You will encounter AI-controlled bandits and mutated monsters, alongside other players. Focus on looting high-value items from glowing crates and small safes. Remember, it is a player versus environment mode, so stay vigilant. Use headphones to detect enemy footsteps and always be prepared for unexpected encounters. The most crucial part is extracting safely with your loot. You have about 30 minutes to find an extraction point marked on your map. If an extraction point is too risky, consider using an evacuation flare gun to call a helicopter to your current location. After a successful extraction, sell your valuable items in the black market to earn Metro cash. This cash allows you to buy better gear and increase your fame level, unlocking more advanced items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.